How to save TikTok drafts to your camera roll or to your gallery. Well, hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Now there are certain ways to save your TikTok drafts to camera roll. First thing is open up TikTok and head over to your profile and head over to your drafts feature. Once on the drafts, what you'll have to do is open up the video that you wish to save. Now if you have the previous versions of TikTok, tap on the arrow icon here, you will be able to get the save option there to save it directly to your camera roll without uploading. But after the latest updates, that option is not available, so you'll have to tap on next. Now one way is you can set this everyone can view this post. You can see who can view this post to only you, to private, and then tap on more options. Make sure the save to device is enabled and uploaded. This way your video will be uploaded private. No one else will be able to see that you have uploaded the video. It'll be on your private folder and your video will be saved to your camera roll as well. The second option is you can screen record your screen and then you can save it as well. So that's the only options that you have if you do not have the save option directly. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.